So what's up, everybody? What I did today was I ended up going to Harbor Freights. I actually thought about getting an engine hoist or cherry picker, whatever y'all want to call them. But instead, I went ahead and I decided to build a hoist. Which I'll eventually get a engine hoist later, but I decided to build one and see would it work with a 12-volt winch. And it's nowhere near complete. I need to get a longer drill bit to run some carriage bolts through the wood. I need to fill the holes in with concrete, and I'm actually gonna start it out as a carport. So I'm actually gonna put a top on it. But let me show y'all what I got so far. So this is what I have so far. Like I said, there's no way near strong enough to pull an engine until I put the carriage bolts where they need to go. I just needed something to do today. But yeah, you can see the horse up there. Like I said, I'm still gonna put a top on it. But yeah, we're finna run some power to it and see if it works. All right, so I connected it to the battery and it got a little blue light on it that lets me know that it's on. So we're about to see what it does. All right, push the button. All right, so I went and got something light intake, and we're gonna get this winch to try. Blue light is on. And we're about to see what it do. And hope it don't fall and crack the sunroof. All right, so it works. So we disconnect the battery post. My wife said dinner's ready, so I gotta go. Once again, thank y'all for watching. We out.